And when it comes to a program, say muko lanchi bibisa, and I say something like this, you don't have to let the main minister leave Accra. Your MP is in Accra. You are holding an event in Tamale. He will spend about 2,000 Ghana cedis of fuel to get to the event grounds and back. Say all this but you still want him to come there. Organizing funeral. You are expecting the MP to be present. Sometimes you ask yourself, until this year or year then. But whilst I was creating the videos and all those things, I kept on thinking that what has happened? What is in it? What is the lesson in it that I can learn as an individual? And I've been thinking for the past almost 5 hours, and there is only one thing that has kept on occurring to me over and over and over and over. And this is what I want to share with you. In Ghana, we worry our politicians too much, and the politicians also worry themselves too much. In Ghana, we worry our politicians too much, and the politicians also worry themselves too much. And we are not learning from it. Yes, you are dear frame. Yes, you are dear frame. Most of the times that the politicians die on the road or in the air could have been prevented. It could have been avoided. Ghana, if somebody is organizing a funeral, or expect to say a Chrome Hall MP, a so umbra funeral, a yenasi MP and bar trouble. Organizing funeral, you are expecting the MP to be present. Sometimes you ask yourself, until this year or year then. So, as a country, even if the MP is in Accra, Parliament, how they be here, crano, and so on for flight, and so on for a form to make sure so about funeral nasi, a yenasi, one by yenasi, a better about Tiano. Ofosuni said, "You are right, bro. Thank you." We worry politicians. Look at Teshi, Lejokuku. Look at reasons what they gave for voting Okoboy out of office. Naming ceremony on ba. On ba empty. All the development he has brought, damn it, we are voting against him. This is the origin of some of these things. Way mun the origin no. Way and the origin no. Everything you want the politician to be there. Every function, president, president of the republic, president of 33 million people. Every program, you say you want him to be there. It leads to some of these things, and also it leads to a lot of waste of money. Waste of money. And I'm going to tell you why I'm saying this. I'm going to come into the incident itself. But you had do. And politicians also, they are part of this. They are to be blamed. Because if MPP decides that they want to start doing the right thing, MPP politicians want to start doing the right thing, you see that NDC will pass beyond and go and be doing the wrong thing. You see? Your MP is in Accra. You are holding an event in Tamale. He will spend about 2,000 Ghana cedis of fuel to get to the event grounds and back. Say all this but you still want him to come there and then come and give more money on top. Why? And there are some politicians too, because when they travel, they get travel allowance and other allowances. So they also don't want to sit in their offices. Every now and then they want to travel. Politicians be how. Office, because when you sit in the office, you don't get allowances. Allowances be. So they always want to be attending programs so they can be doing budgets. So when I'm talking about the people's attitude, the politicians' attitude also is part. The attitude of the politician, and so can be. That is why we are here today. So we if this accident that happened, no, as a country, I'm expecting say we will all sit down and start telling ourselves the hard truth. Say every event na say president enko. Emilia, hello. Every event. Asori bia ye bibia nu o pese president mbre ho. Every church now, they say abeye norm. Every church convention bia nu you invite the president. Meanwhile, no asori no so no e wo asori penny wo ho. Everything you want to see president. We are misusing resources and we are misusing our time. We are misusing things. Because when the president moves, president alone moves, it's not small money. You go and check budget of presidency. One trip, crano, and yes, small. In a day, Andrea say yesterday, they organized a health conference or something like that. The president had to go there in the morning, lunch it, leave there, go to about 4 programs, and come back in the evening to come and close them. Money wasted on fuel and all those things. And the Omampeni knew or before front me program no. Of all the people who were there, nobody can close the program if His Excellency John Dramani Mahama does not come himself to close. We have to change our attitude and our mentality. And politicians use these things to get money. Because when you're on the road, you can put a lot of figures there. Oh, we spend 10 billion on fuel. We spend this one on airtime. The tire got spot on the way. So we change it at 5 billion. So they will also not tell you that, oh, I am unavailable. And also now we invite you assemblyman now then. We as a people, we have a lot of work to do on ourselves. Have a lot of work to do on ourselves. Now let me go to the main issue. Sometimes, it is hard when in times like this you want to speak the truth. Maybe my truth is not your truth, but you see, maybe we have to learn something from this in politics. An event is organized. Our Ashanti region. And yes, sir. Event now in Ashanti region. Now, why do we have a regional minister? He is the highest Ebano Ashanti region. Or no, let's just say president of Ashanti region. Aside that, no, you were MMDCs of Ashanti region. Why are the MMDCs there? They are the highest. They are the president. Ebano district nema. Omuno president no ni representative wo. Now every ministry, mention all the ministries you know, foreign affairs, all of them, mandatorily no, in every region they have offices. Region BMO, they have offices for all the ministries that are there. And to call Ashanti region, not per se, only Ministry of Information, for instance, they say they need help you to want to do something with them now. You don't have to come all the way to Accra or more office for her. There is somebody in charge there. Uko Northern region now, there's somebody in charge there. Maybe you will not get them in the assemblies, but you will get them in the regions. And when it comes to a program, say muko lanchi bibisa, and I say something like this, you don't have to let the main minister leave Accra or the main ministers leave Accra that they want to go to the program. No, regional minister is there, so there's no need for a president. There's no need. Regional minister is there. Why should you invite John Mahama, His Excellency, when there's a regional minister there? Why should you invite him? I see politicians want their face to be on everything. Now, per report, we are being told, say, Omanibuama, even though, say, Asemno, Galamse, which I'll go into, by the way, But we are told, say, Omani Buama was told by the president, say, you, Omani Buama, go and stand in for me. So you see, if you had not invited the president, Ebia Omani Buama wouldn't have been on that flight. We have to learn. We have to learn. Your regional minister, so one program the regional minister is attending, you are expecting the president to attend. And the president too cannot tell them that, no, I don't have to be here. It's for that reason that you will see even our president going to a launching of sanitary pad, that president will hobby. No, so pad, no, the day grow. All these things, this is a time to learn. Linda says true fact. Baby, you are welcome. We have to learn. It's true that no one knows tomorrow, but some of these things, no. I hope, say, what has happened today, this sad event will let our president and our politicians wise up. And they should wise up. Regional minister is in attendance. There's no need for president. So a district more. If the MC is there, if the DC is there, you really don't need the regional minister to be there anymore. To save time, to save money. Save time and money. As simple as that. Save time and money. Now we've lost 8 countrymen. 8. We are just told, Sergeant Ado, per the news that is coming in, one of the soldiers that lost their life, he just got married 1 month ago. 1 month. Owari July we amu. Owari July we amu. We ya. Because a group of politicians who were not there wanted to take helicopter. Meanwhile, there are people in Ashanti region from their ministries who could have just gone to the program in their stead. But ever Ghana had a feeling say minister na mba a program na nyekese. President Amba, then the program was not audacious. The person just got married 1 month. He has left the wife. Only wedding pictures. I am mobile. Let me show you the wedding pictures. Let me show you the wedding pictures. Oh God. Any, this is him. That's the sergeant who lost his life. Sergeant Ado. He got married just this July. July where and Owari. 1 month.